Okay guys, good day everyone. It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to be talking about how to use Alligator. Okay, basically I'll be showing you guys my Alligator settings, and also note that it's not really the main thing we look at in the market. Okay, but most of the time people see my screenshots and they'll ask me, please, what is your Alligator setting, how are you doing it, or how did you put it, or what are you looking at, how did you see, like what are you to know, why is it to buy, is it to sell? So that is what I'll be showing you guys today, basically on how I use the Alligator for confluence while taking so my trade. But note, it's not actually what I use always. I don't really look at it, I just keep it there. Okay, but it has a meaning, you understand? It says something, it's showing you something, you understand, combined with the RSI. But it's not actually the main thing to know in the forex market. Okay, the main thing to know is what market structure, you understand, no, and also many more things. So basically, we actually have our Telegram channel and group where we drop analysis and signals. Okay, if I should go to my Telegram, okay, these are VIP chats though. For our VIP members, like people I'm actually mentoring with our group, they're also professionals here. Can see it here, Sundas FX VIP. Then this is our chat room where we interact. Then this is our channel. Okay, so the link is on the video description below. You can join, you understand, you can join. So going to the chat room, you can see I've been dropping updates since today on gold. We took a massive gold trade. I'll still go to my trading view to show you how I took the trade, you understand. Basically, we dropped the signal. Let me show you guys the signal. You can see the signal. Look at the time, 10:13 a.m. You can see this is the signal we dropped. And also this was the analysis on Euro USD. You can see the analysis on Euro USD over here, you can see. So if you need all this analysis and you need all this update, just click on the video description below to join our Telegram. And also do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, because I post update on my Instagram also, and Facebook, you understand. So do well to use the links below the video description. I'm going over to my MT4. Okay, but basically before I go, I check my investing.com. Before you take any trade or place any trade, you go to your like your fundament, your calendar or anything, to check if there is any high impact news. Okay, like for today, you can see by 13:30 we should have a high impact news on United States called durable goods orders. Like, yeah. So but basically it's not really all high impact news that actually affects the market so like heavily. Okay, but you just have to check and know, you understand. So that is that for now. So let's go over to my MT4. So over here on my MT4, you can see my some pairs actually here: Euro USD, gold, US Tech, USD card, and Euro NCD. Okay, so from there go to gold. So I'll click on open chart. So we took some trades on gold today. Actually this trade is actually a wrong trade, but I've just placed it on my account for the sake of this video, actually, because I've actually taken some trades today again. But I can see, I know it's a buy overall. I can see place more buys, you understand. I see place more buys on this my account, you understand, because shaking now it couldn't break this level. But that is not what I'm talking about for now. Let the trade run, you understand. I'll show you the trades I took earlier, but for now I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the what Alligator, you understand. This is the Alligator over here, and this is the RSI in general. So this my region, this region, I'll be showing you guys like what is happening below here, you understand. That is why I'm doing this video today, you understand. But before that, let me show you, like today alone, today you can see my trade history today. Okay, we have actually made $316 plus. I've made $316 plus on this account. Overall, let's check overall. Last 3 months on this account alone, we have deposited $500, and we have actually made a profit of $790. You understand? Still going. Okay, so no withdrawal yet. So I just placed the trade, but it's still dropping. But if once it hits my stop loss, it takes me out, no problem, I'm good for the day, you understand. But actually taking the main trades. This is not actually a like, it's not really a trade. I'm just placing the trade without nothing. I know it will go up, but that is not a perfect entry. You understand? That is not a perfect entry at all. So I just placed the trade currently, as you can see. So but basically, going over to the main topic we have for today is the alligators. Okay, so for you to see the alligator on your chart, you have to click up here. Here you see a sign like F or so. You click there. Once you click there, you see your main window. My main window, I just added Bollinger Band and moving average, then indicator window, relative strength index, and alligator. So once you click on alligator, you can see the period. You can take a screenshot of this. You can take a screenshot of this to see the values. Jaws period is 13, shift, jaws shift 8, 8, 5, 5. Basically the four. Then the colors, you can see the colors over here, blue, red, and green. So that is it. Once you're done setting everything, you just click on done. You can see done up here. Click on done. Once you click on done, coming over to your window, not really the main screen, okay, you will see the alligator. You can see the green one, the red line, and the blue line down. You understand? So let's go over to the 1 hour time daily time frame on gold. As you can see on the daily time frame on gold, the alligator is above it's above 70% region of the RSI. Okay, so showing you that it is high. You understand? It's planning for a sell. You understand? And you should be selling good at this point. Okay, basically when the green alligator crosses the red and the blue, is a sell. Once the green alligator crosses the red and the blue, example here, is a what? Sell. Then once the green alligator crosses the blue to the red, like from the bottom, from the lows, is a buy. Just like here, you understand? And you should be buying when it's low, like when it is in the low region. As you can see, 30% of the what is it called, RSI or so. Yeah, then this high, medium, and low, you can set it on your RSI. It's very easy. But basically, this is not my whole concept of trading. Like, I'm just showing you guys, like, people that want to learn it. Okay, it's for teaching purposes. It's not really that I use them or is what I look at. You understand? It's not actually what I look out for. Now looking at the RSI, now the RSI is actually 30%, but this one is actually above. So here can be confusing people. But me placing a buy order here is not because of my alligator or my RSI or anything like that. It's not at all. You understand? If you check where, you see there is an imbalance. There's an imbalance that has to be filled on the daily candle, but that is still not a strong confluence for a buy. There are many things. There are still an other block to be mitigated before the sales can jump, like before you see a massive drop. You understand? So all these things are what you have to know in the forex market for you to be actually what? Profitable. But the general idea of alligator is what? The alligator what? Crossing. But I believe it's great while scalping. Let's go to Euro USD. You can see on Euro USD, you can see here, once the green actually crosses the what? The red and the blue, you can see this happened. So basically, using it to scalp as a strong indicator is cool. You can see the crossing and how it is, like, is occurring. You understand? Then the Bollinger Band plus the moving average, all these indicators can tell you something, but it's not really the general idea. Get me right, it's not really what to know. Okay, it's not only thing to know. It's not a strong confluence. But now Euro USD, you should be buying, right? You should be buying Euro USD. But now there is like I believe Euro USD is going to go lower before you buy. That is just it. It's not going to start buying now immediately, but from your indicator or whatever is actually loading for a buy. You understand? Like, it's planning for a buy to the upside. But you don't just jump in like that. Okay, you don't just say, oh yeah, I'll jump in, it's happening now. No, you should know about your sections. The London section, the New York section, know what you're trading. So that is why, if you need more knowledge, just contact me on my WhatsApp. Then I'll explain everything in more details to you. You understand? So you contact me on my WhatsApp, I'll explain everything in more details, like, you understand, for you to understand. So going back to the trades we took earlier, let me just show you. Let me go to my photos because I know I took a screenshot of the trades. Yeah. Okay, now you can see my entry. This was my first entry. You can see this was my first entry here at 1901 or so. Yeah, then as it's going, I keep on adding some trade. Then I saw a pullback, I stacked, and I dropped the analysis on the Telegram group. So many people there actually saw and took the trade. You see it clearly over here. Okay, now you can see my entry earlier. You can see my entry. So you can see the move. Then there was a pullback, I stacked more trades, for more upside potentials. So this is on as 100 today. I dropped this quick sell update on my VIP group, so we made profit from it also, if you see. So now look at the profit. You understand? Floating $190. You can see. Okay, going back to my MT4, this is on USD card, right? So I'm rotating it now for a clear view. You can see add the alligator on your main screen. You just scroll down, you search for alligator, just scroll down. You can see I clicked on F, right? You can see alligator. You click on done. Now you can see I've added the alligator on the main screen. If you tap here, see where I clicked on this F. You click on this signal also, or later. I can decide to delete my Bollinger Band and moving averages to use only alligators on my main screen, and I can go back. Now as you can see, I'm only using alligator. Now if you see, if you look here, if you look closely, you can see the green alligator crossed the red alligator and the blue alligator. So anybody entering a buy from here should be in profit. You understand? So this USD card on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go lower. You can see how the cross happened. You understand? So the alligator is actually a great tool, but it's really underrated. Then combining it with the RSI, sorry, combining it with the RSI, you understand, you can actually have more confluence basically for using those alligators. So basically that is that for now. More teachings and lectures will be on my Zoom classes and in my VIP group. So if you want to join or understand more better, you just contact me on my WhatsApp. Okay, thanks for watching this YouTube video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.